Hi everyone, today I'm showing my new UniWigs 7x8 upgraded Courtney hair topper. I'm gonna start off by straightening out my hair, and after this I'm gonna go in with some UniWigs hair fibers. This is my first time using these and I actually really liked the results. I've used other brands before and I didn't care for them, but I actually really like this, and the application and instructions were super easy to follow. And I just placed this pretty much where I placed the topper part. And then I'm gonna go in and straighten out the hair topper so it can match my straightened hair. I love this topper, by the way. I love the layers that are cut into the face frame. It didn't take very long to do this either. And then we go into trying on the topper. So just lining that up to the part. So I'm just gonna place it on there, clip everything in, and then I'm gonna use a little eyebrow pencil just to spread out like my part. Reclip that back in, comb it out. I love it so much. It makes such a difference. I will then go in with some of my face powder to just blend on that part, make it look a little bit more natural. I do this the first time and it lasts several wears for the topper. I don't have to do this every time. You can tell already how much more that is blended in. I'll go in again with my eyebrow brush, just blend that out again. I'm going to use a little bit more of those hair fibers, and that's it. I sometimes put the topper all the way to the front because I have really thin hair, even way at the front. But this time I liked blending it in. It worked really well with those hair fibers. And there you have it. My new UniWigs 7x8 upgraded Courtney hair topper. Thank you for watching.